Hey there, fellow campers. Today I'm going to share some quick and easy hacks to solve 7 common camping problems. Let's dive right in. Number 1, unpredicted bad weather. One of the best ways to stay dry is to bring along a lightweight tarp. You can use it to create an extra layer over your tent or as a shelter for your cooking area. And always pack a rain jacket just in case. Number 2, it's too cold at night. Here's a trick. Fill up a water bottle with hot water and place it in your sleeping bag before you go to bed. It'll keep you warm for hours. Also, wear a hat and gloves. You lose most of your body heat through your head and extremities. Number 3, you're having a hard time setting up your tent. Practice makes perfect. Set up your tent a few times at home before your trip and always check the ground for rocks and sticks. They can make the process a lot harder. Number 4, you get lost hiking. Always carry a map and compass and learn how to use them. A GPS device or a fully charged phone with a downloaded offline map can be a lifesaver, and remember to tell someone your planned route before you go. Number 5, you get sick or injured. A well-stocked first aid kit is a must. Include band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Know the basics of first aid and how to treat common injuries, and don't forget to stay hydrated and well-fed to keep your energy up. Number 6, you didn't bring enough food. Always pack extra snacks like trail mix, granola bars, and dried fruit. They're lightweight, don't spoil, and can keep you going in a pinch. And learn about edible plants in the area, but only eat them if you're 100% sure they're safe. Number 7, your tent is too small. If you're finding your tent a bit cramped, use the space outside for storage. Keep your gear in waterproof bags to protect them from the elements, and use a tarp to create a makeshift porch area for extra space. There you have it. 7 quick hacks to make your camping trip smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, the key to a great camping experience is being prepared and staying flexible. Happy camping, everyone! If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow campers. Catch you on the next adventure.